Good morning and welcome back to Pat's Garage. Hey, we got the i8 started up and we're about ready to head to Hunt Valley Cars and Coffee. It is a cool 55 degrees and this is one of my favorite places to go on a Saturday morning. The sun's not even quite up yet. Fall is starting to show its signs with the coolness in the air. Soon it'll be winter. One of the cool things about the i8 is being able to drive in eDrive. So as I'm driving along right now in pure battery power, it's telling me I have about 16 miles of battery left to go. And as I get up to a higher speed, I can go ahead and switch over to the internal combustion engine. But this is just fine. Cruising along 45, 50 mile an hour, no issues at all in electric. And I'll get decent range that'll get me to the highway. Hunt Valley horsepower. Got the i8 here, and an i8 just pulled in.
Watch out.
Yeah, it's in the ear and everything.
Very cool. So here we have two i8s at Hunt Valley horsepower. You got the i8 pack car. We got this beautiful i8. Look at these wheels. Wow. Great with the blue accents.
Don't look too hard because I already messed them up.
I like the blue. The blue, like the blue. That's like makes it.
Beautiful day here at Hunt Valley Horsepower Cars and Coffee. So cool to have both i8's. Really, really neat. Here's our friend Atomic Z06. He brought his C7 Corvette. Hopefully we will run into Towne here pretty soon, because sometimes he gets me on his vlog and I want to get him on my vlog, my first vlog. I always make sure to put a lot of information here for the public, because I get a lot of questions as to whether or not this car is an electric car. Nope, plug-in hybrid. What's really cool about Hunt Valley Horsepower is usually the organizer, Will, likes to get BMW cars together, Porsches together, Corvettes together, keep them in groups as much as they can. Obviously, when we get some more people coming in later, it's a little bit more difficult to keep the cars in a group, but he does a great job. Will, the man that runs Hunt Valley Horsepower. Look what he has on the roof. So cool. Did. Yeah, luminescent, yeah. This is cool. Had a chance to talk to the owner of this car and sit in it. It's a Suzuki version of the Autozam. What's so cool about this is very, very small door sills compared to the i8. And the doors are up here. And it's a rear engine car. tiny little Fiat here as well. Can rent a racer, but not this one. All right, first vlog here. Atomic Z06, here we go.
Here we are. Good morning, good morning. Great day here in Hunt Valley. How's it going?
What are you thinking about it?
You know, it's a great day. Perfect weather this time of year.
Yeah.
A lot of great cars out here. You see some of the stuff out here? You see that Ford
Yeah, I saw his GT.
GTR?
Yeah.
Never seen one of those before.
I know, in the Golf livery?
Yeah,
That was pretty cool.
Very nice.
Yeah, we're always enjoying this. Obviously, you know who he is. He's the guy we always spend a lot of time with here at Hunt Valley Horsepower and some other shows as well. But
I
this
missed
is
a few weeks because I was at
Yeah.
all these Penn State games
I was wondering
the
where you were
previous
at.
several Saturdays, but we're off this week, so
So you gonna have some video up soon?
I should have some, yes.
All right, subscribe to this guy. All right, we're getting ready to wrap up from Hunt Valley Horsepower, Cars and Coffee. What a cool event. So many cars out here today. So many people, great people to talk to. Very happy for this event. Very happy to be out here. Beautiful weather. We'll see you next time.